I know I have to do it today. How do you spool a bait casting reel? Let's go do it. All right, so the first thing I want to show you right here is I have my line set up on my pull-up bar. Basically 2 clips holding some paracord going through the spool. You can see the line on the spool coming off of the top, and that's what you're looking for when you're putting line onto your bait caster. Next, you're going to feed it through your guides on your rod, then you're going to feed it through the guide on your bait casting reel. Now you're going to take your line and stick it through this hole thingy on this spindle thingy. Then you're going to grab the other end of it and pull it out that other hole thingy. Now you're going to tie like an overhand knot, over, under, and through. You're going to pull that tight. Next, I'm going to tie another overhand knot, but at the end of the fishing line. Basically, that's a stopper knot. Now I'm going to take my line and my main line, and I'm going to do another overhand knot. Slide that through. I believe this is called the arbor knot. And then I slide my line down until it's tight, till the stopper knot stops the knot. And then I trim off the excess tag end. Now all I do is pinch the line with my non-spinning hand, and then I spin all my line onto the reel. And that's basically how you put line onto a bait casting reel.